Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. This morning I traded Foot Locker. I took it as a 5-minute opening range breakdown. As you can see, this 5-minute candle was a really nice bear candle, opening above the VWAP and closing below. And then on the 1 minute, it came back up and tested the VWAP on relatively low volume. And once it rejected it and it made a new low, I went short. It also made a new 5-minute low. So with that, I went short, and then my partials were at levels I had marked from the daily. I tried to catch this wick here to partial at this previous day high, but that was the fill I got. And then I tried to, as you can see here on the 1 minute, I thought it was going to head back down after these little dojis right here. And so I added to my position and then got stopped out. But that was my trade of the morning. And then I decided to give all of it back on trying to short Apple. If anyone saw Apple today, you know that you probably shouldn't have shorted it unless you're aiming and you got some great parabolic reversals. I overtraded this, and then I started emotionally trading it. I'm showing you the 1-minute chart. So I attempted to short it here. I don't have an explanation for this. I just thought on the 5-minute it was really extended, and I thought it had to pull back. So then I thought I saw a bit of a head and shoulders right here. And then once it was going to lose this level, I went short again. But I did put my stop all the way up above this high right here. It got stopped out. So then again, right here, thought I saw a bit of a double top or head and shoulders here happening. Went short, stopped myself out. Then I said, no, it is going down. So I went short again, stopped myself out. Then I saw that this 5 and 20 were crossing and heading down. I went short again. Took a partial here, then got stopped out. That's not all. I tried it again. So I saw this as a double top right here. This indecision candle, quite a bit of volume. This big bear candle came up. These moving averages were really heading down this time, and the 50 was coming up to meet. So I went short again, covered very quickly, partialed very quickly, and then stopped out. At this point, I broke my rules. Once I try a stock 3 times and it doesn't work, my rule is to not trade it again. And I am continuously trying to short this stock. So even if it does put up a perfect pattern for me and I get into it, because I'm trading so emotionally, I'm not going to let it mature and get the proper profits from this, because I am now trading emotionally. And this is my last time. I thought it was. I saw that it was losing these moving averages, so I went short again. And like I said earlier, I'm taking super quick partials. I'm trading emotionally. And overall, I gave all of my money back, all of my profits that I made from my earlier trade. And even with this trade right here, at the end of the day, I was down, I think, $20, which isn't much, but you know, it's not about the money. It's about making great trades. And I traded Apple horribly today. I broke my rules. I overtraded. Um, so this is how not to trade. And now I get to go into the weekend with this on my mind. But I hope you all had a better Friday than I did, and you have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.